Good morning, students. I am Parul from Tashmish Public School, Kotkapura, giving you that lecture on English clauses. So, as it is an English clause, English forms from the alphabets. So, what are the alphabets? Alphabets are the set of letters in a fixed order. For example, A to Z. It's again divided into two parts: vowels and consonants. So what is the difference between alphabet and letters is a letter is one of the letter in the alphabets only, such as we can pick any of the alphabet, for example J, P, D, W, R, Z. So in unarranged set of alphabets are letters. When we join few letters, it becomes word, and word is definitely having some meaning. It is meaningful. So when we join few words, then it becomes sentence. Here in this class, the whole role is of sentence and the clause. So clause, what is clause? According to the chapter number 1, the chapter number 1's grammar study, the first part is clause. Group of words is called clause. Clause is this group of words having a verb and a subject, and definitely will have a meaning. For example, he loves. He is a subject, loves is a verb. So it is a clause. There is a confusion between here that it is a sentence too. So let me clear this with the difference that sentence exists clause. Clause cannot exist sentence. A sentence has one or more clauses. A clause is the smallest unit of a sentence. Yes, exactly. When we join few clauses, then it becomes sentence. A clause is mandatory within a sentence, but in a clause there will be no sentence. The difference between sentence and clause: sentence will give us the complete information, complete thought, that what one want to say us is totally clear to us. But in a clause may or may not give the complete information and the complete thought. For example, I remember what you said. See here, I remember seems itself a sentence, but which is not a sentence. What you said yesterday, here the subject, one subject is here, one verb is here, it is one clause. One subject is here, one verb is here, so it is also a clause. Clause plus clause is equal to sentence. It means there will be more than one clause in a sentence, which make a complete sense. So students, now it's a time to categorize the types of clause. So types of clause, these are of two types: independent clause and dependent. So as it is clear that independent means to say need nothing, need no any help, and dependent definitely is depending upon something. Here we, according to our book, independent clause is also known as the main clause, and the dependent clause is also known as the subordinate clause. Independent clause, that gives the given clause is itself a complete clause. It needs not other clause to give complete thought. Means to say it is not depending upon another. It needs no other clause to complete the sense. Gives complete information itself. Here in for example, my sister lives in Delhi. It is a complete sentence. One subject, one verb completing the sentence, giving the proper meaning. It is an independent sentence. Independent clause. Dependent clause, it's also known as subordinate clause. That is, it is just reciprocal to the independent clause. It doesn't give the complete sense without the help of other clauses. It definitely needs some other clause to complete its sense. For example, that is bestseller. See, subject is given, verb is given, but complete message is not there. This is bestseller. Who is bestseller? For what he is selling, not complete information is here. No any complete thought is here. And furthermore, dependent clause is again divided into three parts, which we will discuss in chapter number 3. Here, see, according to the grammar study of chapter number 1, the independent main clause, everything is according to whatever I have taught, but I'm just clearing you this example. See, when the giant arrived, He saw the children playing in the garden. Hide this. Now read the rest of the sentence. He saw the children playing in the garden. Means to say it is a complete sentence. So it is an independent clause. If we will not hide this, we hide this side. When the giant arrived. Means to say it's giving incomplete sense, incomplete thought. It needs something else, which is here. So this dependent clause is depending upon the independent clause. So it is dependent clause and this is independent clause. Hopefully each and everything is clear to you. So have a nice day.